Okay, é só apontando. Okay guys, so this is what we need to do. Using this wrench, what we're gonna do to put the door, we need to loosen this up. So over here, right under, do my Pep? You're gonna unscrew a screw that's over here. But the problem is it's clockwise to unscrew. So I'm unscrewing a little bit. So we're good. Now go on the other side. Vem aqui desse lado. Pode já volta. Vai por trás de mim. Now we need to remove this one over here. So just a little bit of this. Put that on. Okay. Take this one out. Okay, unscrew this one a little bit, just make it loose. Estava já tudo loose. And now we're using this, we should be able to push the pin out. Now over here. So we're gonna take this out until it's like right there. We're gonna put it there, align it with the hole, so we could start pushing the pin in. So what I do is I slowly hit until it's a little bit stuck, that's why. Okay, let's try again. Okay. So now over here, you probably have to hammer it in a little bit. Okay, and that's in. What we're going to do is going to put this one back, which is right there. Foda-se. Caralho. Ainda você queria fazer essa merda. Bring pause. Look how easy this was. So screw it to the max. Okay. Now this needs to make sure that it works, that it's right there, right? Can't hit this. So once it's good, we're gonna tighten it. Okay, so it's all working fine. And then, of course, put the cover. This is one of the old ones, but it's gonna work. And we do have the screws. So we're gonna put these screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, then slide it in and tighten it.